How to pair devices on Shahid VIP. I'm going to tell you how to pair devices on Shahid VIP. First, open the Shahid app on the device you want to pair, like a smart TV, Apple TV, or Android box. It should show you a pairing code on the screen. Now grab your phone or laptop, open a browser, and go to shahid.net/pair. Log in with your Shahid VIP account, then enter your code shown up on your TV screen. Once the code is accepted, your device will be instantly linked to your Shahid account. You can now browse and stream all Shahid VIP content from that device. If that doesn't work, make sure both devices are connected to the same internet and try again. You can pair up to 5 devices on one Shahid VIP subscription and manage or remove them anytime under My Devices in your account settings.